Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to channel Natasha Putri. In this video, I will explain how to configure the DHCP server automatically. DHCP server is a service provider host that provides IP landing to hosts that request it by giving its IP address automatically or dynamically. The following is the topology used in this DHCP server material. Here, the router used will act as a DHCP server that will IP address to client automatically. First, open the Winbox application, then click MAC address. If already, click Connect. First, check the interface in use with the command interface print. It appears that Ether2 is directly connected to the client, so Ether2 will later act as the DHCP server. Then we create an IP address for DHCP server using the command IP address add address. In here, I use address 26.26.26.1/24 using interface Ether2. Cause Ether2 is directly connected to the laptop. Laptop as a client and router as a DHCP server. Then press enter, check configuration result, typing the command IP address print. It can be seen that the IP address for the Ether2 interface is 26.26.26.1/24, which is used as the DHCP server. Then, do the DHCP server setup configuration. Type the command IP DHCP server setup. Press enter. For DHCP server interface means we are told to choose which interface we will use for the DHCP server. Here I am using Ether2. Next, we press enter. For DHCP address page means the network that is given by default, namely 26.26.26.0/24. Next, address to given or is rank IP address given to client, namely 26.26.26.2 until 26.26.26.254. Press enter. For DNS server is used DNS from access point, namely 192.168.43.152. Release time is time limitation to given for client. In here, I given 10 minutes. Check the DHCP server by typing command IP DHCP server print. We can see that we have successfully configured DHCP setup. Here, server use name DHCP-1 and using interface Ether2 and release time is 10 minutes. Then do a test on the client. Before checking the network connection detail of the Ethernet, make sure that the IP version 4 configuration is already option. To make sure, we click Open Network. In here, click Change Adapter option. Choose a port interface in use, namely Ether2. Here, right-click, choose Properties, choose Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. In here, choose to obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. If already, click OK, close, then right-click to port interface in use, click Status, click Details. It can be seen the network connection detail, the IP address obtained is 26.26.26.254 and subnet mask is /24 and default gateway is 26.26.26.1. DNS server is 192.168.43.152. According to the previously performed DHCP server configuration. Already, click close and close again. Close. Then we can also see which client are connected to the DHCP client by using the command IP DHCP-Server receive print. In here can be seen that address is 26.26.26.255. Use server is DHCP-1 and host is laptop in use and status is bound. In here can be seen the sync means dynamic. End of my explanation regarding the DHCP server automatically, more or less sorry. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.